Second down and 10, two tight ends, Sproles in the backfield. Three receivers to the left side. Wentz throws right, it was picked off! Ryan Kerrigan, touchdown!
Well, he's tormented him in the past, rushing the quarterback. Kerrigan's right here, and guess what? He doesn't always drop. 3-4 defensive ends have to play in space. He's obviously benefited by a tip there at the line of scrimmage and easy sailing. This Redskin crowd finally got into this football game by a takeaway and a touchdown by the defense.
Mason McGee got a piece of it. And then Ryan Kerrigan, who has never missed a game. It's his 97th consecutive start. He scores the Redskins' first touchdown of the season. Eagles must get to the 47-yard line for a first down. Wentz on 3rd and 8, in trouble, down he goes. Sacked back at the 32-yard line, Matt Ioannidis.
Well, Greg Minuski, the new defensive coordinator, has talked all offseason and preseason about being more aggressive. Well, you can't get any more aggressive than this on 3rd down. Nice stunt up front by Ioannidis and Zach Brown. And Carson Wentz has absolutely nothing to do here but duck under and take this sack. Good job by this Redskins defense getting off the field on 3rd down.
Kerrigan there as well. Play clock winding down, 2nd and 10. And it's Kerrigan who makes the tackle, bringing down Sproles. Ryan Kerrigan has done it all for this Redskins defense in the first half.
Well, this is just man strength. Look what he does to the tight end. On Lane Johnson. Get out of my way. I got a play to make. Redskins call a timeout, looking to get off on 3rd down and possibly get some more points on the board before halftime.
Kerrigan with the interception. He returned it for a touchdown. He was involved in a sack along with Ioannidis, and now a big tackle to bring down Sproles. Carson Wentz and the Eagles with a 2-point lead. Start from their 15-yard line following the Washington turnover. Sproles out to the 17-yard line.